Alright, we're going to talk about EBSCO Discovery Service, and after you do a search, limiting it to a certain publication. So you've done a search here, and we have 3,342 results that came back here for my education, college, or academic, and success is in the title. So we've got these set up. Now let's say we want to look in a little bit further and get really specific with this. I also have it limited to 2015 to 2019 full-text scholarly peer-reviewed journals. And we could get really specific here and go to publication. Let's look to the publications that these are coming from. What journals are these coming from? If I click Show More, it's ranked by how many articles came back from certain journals. And you can get really specific to which journals you would like to look at now. And so I'm going to say I want to just look at the articles from New Directions in Higher Education and Research in Higher Education. Let me look through and see if there's any others here I'd like to take a look at. So you can just go through and decide which ones you want to see. Maybe Science Teacher, that might be interesting too. And then we just update. And now it's going to go through that list of articles and bring back just the articles from the publications that I asked for. So now you're just seeing things from New Directions in Higher Education, a lot from New Directions in Higher Education there. And if we keep looking down here, there we see Research in Higher Education, Research in Higher Education. So we've limited it just to these journals that we like. So you can use this big overall search, EBSCO Discovery Service, that searches everything we have, and then you can limit it in really as specific as you want, even to just look at a certain journal. So that's how you use that feature. Let me know if you have any questions.